I'm going to make Christmas crack, which is like one of my favorite Christmas baking treats. So we're gonna make that right now, and then I'm gonna sample it. So first we need a tray to lay all of our crackers on, and some parchment paper. These are salted top crackers, because it makes it taste better with the salt on them already too. I feel like I normally use tin foil, because this parchment paper is like hard to make it stick in there. Okay. Now I'm gonna make the caramel sauce for it. So for the caramel sauce, you need 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of brown sugar and a pinch of salt. And then we're gonna melt that over the oven here, over the stovetop. We're gonna melt it over the stovetop, add a little vanilla, and then some chocolate at the end, and we're gonna pour it over our crackers. So let's get melting the butter and sugar. On medium heat too. Sometimes I get impatient and I put things up high, and then I like totally burn it, and it's not good. So don't do that. Put it on medium heat like it says. Now 1 cup of brown sugar. Oops. Get it in. So I just put a tiny sprinkle of salt in because I'm using salted butter and salted crackers. I don't really think I need the entire quarter, even though it's only a quarter teaspoon, but I just poured a little sprinkle just so I put some extra in there. All right, now that I've got it all in here, I'm gonna put it in the oven for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna warm 2 cups of chocolate chips to go on top. Now I gotta let it settle for like a minute and let the crackers kind of settle back into place. And then here I'm melting my chocolate, and I'm gonna pour the chocolate over it once they kind of settle in a minute. Let them cool down. Looks good. Now it goes in the fridge for 24 hours. Looks pretty good. I just let it cool down, and now I'm gonna stick it in the freezer because I don't want to wait 24 hours with it in the fridge. So I put it in the freezer and just give it a few hours, and then I'm gonna check it. I'm impatient and I want to eat it. All right, it's now the evening, and my Christmas crack has been in the freezer since this morning. So for a really long time. I know it's supposed to, it says to put it in the fridge overnight, but like I said, don't want to wait overnight, so we just put it in the freezer, and it's now evening time, so it's been in there all day. So we are going to pull it out and check it and see if it's ready to eat or not yet. Are we going to check the Christmas crack? Christmas crackers? I'm not feeding crack to a baby. Let's try. Looks good. We'll break it apart and see how it breaks. Oh yeah. And you just do that. You just break pieces off of it. That's it. So easy. Now we try it. Here's a piece of it. I'm gonna give it a try. That's so good. You think you need to try it? That is seriously one of my favorite Christmas desserts. I love it. It's so like, you can taste that caramel that you make, the caramel sauce with the butter. Oh, and then the chocolate on the top. It's so good. Love it. Oh, she just gave her baby cracker to the dog. Probably so she can have a piece of this instead. Anyway, check back with us next time to see what else we make or we try. This Christmas crack is delicious. See you in the next one.